tugatangiye. Ye kana kari kurira. Yari yambwiye ngo azahamagara papa. Kana mundi yaramagaye mama arahisha. Ntabwo nashakaga ko papa agenda. Ndabizi. Ikakana kazi ko papa yapfuye gusa n'ubundi modoka irongera mugonga kiva rusororo. Papa yari yambwiye kari bumamagare kabisubiramo. Yarahamagaye ahubwo kuko papa yatandukanye n'umugore, uwo mugore ari kwangisha umwana se yanze kubimubwira. Wibuke bari bapanze kujya kureba filime ya Rocky. Katurori bimeze biti. Wibuka izi filime usanga ku Gasobanuye films.com website y'ubwenge koko. Wishyura amafaranga make yawe ukareba ukwezi kose wirira isi. Ndangiza kuyisobanura itigera mu minota kuri website. Yano ko tugatangiye. Banyise Rocky abazi ubundi ntabwo bajya bangereranya. Bimeze bite rero? Nuko tugatangiye. Umugabo niwe wenyine wabasha kubona rwa rupapuro. Ndetse urupapuro rw'amakodi yaratangiye kugenda huza izina rya mbere kwe muri uru rupapuro. Yasanze n'umuntu witwa Gordon Jimmy yarapfuye. Hashize imeze birapfuye. Uwa kabiri yasanze nawe ari gupfa. Umugabo twabonye bamugonga akivanwa rusororo. Bimeze bite? Bari bamushyinguye ari muzima. Ese rupapuro ruri hiki rwanditse mu makode, bamwe bararureba bakavuga ngo rwanditse rurimo igishinwa, hieroglyphe bimwe by'abanyamisiri bya mbere iki n'iki, ikilatini. Mbega bakeneye umuntu wadaje ndetse yagiye arimo ibishushanyo ku buryo ari amakode ahambaye. Bakeneye inzobere kuko ayo makode yayakira gute, gusa sinzi barakora urupapuro. FDA utuvugana urupapuro ntarwo ifite. Bimeze bite? Wicara hamwe utuza gusa kuva rero ko bagafashemo nta mayobera. Ngiye niyemeje kujya mba filime ukagira ko kwireba mu kinyarwanda ijana kuri. Okay. Cypher ko bakize. Nagiye. Akorino. Tufyara tugarukana. Sibyo? Wa mugabo bagutse turi kuyo. Bamwita Will. Mugabo turuka bamugonga yakangutse yisanga mu rugo rw'inninja. Kaho. Kiva rusororo yagunzwe.
Good, you're up.
Byiza kukangutse. Mukobwa tumuzi.
Careful.
Kingisiri one.
Hurt your wrist pretty bad.
Wakomeritse cyane ku kaboko kawe.
Are you?
Urinde se?
I'm Clara.
Bayita Claire.
Where the hell am I?
You were in an accident, and
wakoze impanuka?
Well, I hit you.
Nicyo wakugonze?
I ran a red light, didn't I?
Nari mfiye feruje. I ran a red light.
Sorry, that was my fault.
Amakosa nanjye njye urufiye feruje.
Paying attention.
Ntabwo nari ndi kwita ku bintu nyine yatwaye nyine ahuza kuri yihuta.
I'm sorry, I gotta
Abizirika kindi.
go.
Umukobwa w'icya.
You're on purpose.
Nakugonze mbishaka. Kuki? Nakugonze mbishaka.
What did you just say?
Uvuze kuki?
The accident.
Iriya mpanuka.
It wasn't your fault.
Ntabwo ari wari wakoze ikosa.
I had to do it.
Nari mfite kukugonga.
Save your life, Will.
Bwari ko buryo bwonyine bwo gutabara ubuzima bwawe. Will. Uzi gute izina ryanjye yitwa Will? Umukobwa utuje adahubuka atuje. Aricara.
I know a lot more than just your name.
Sibirenze n'izina ryawe ariko.
I know where you live.
Saho utuye.
What car you drive.
Si imodoka utwara kandi niyo uzuruka.
For a living.
Nzi icyo ukora ngo ubeho.
I know there are people looking for you.
Nzi ko hari n'abantu bari kuguhiga.
I couldn't risk you falling into their hands.
Kandi ntabwo nari gutuma ujya mu biganza by'abantu bari kuguhiga.
To save my life.
Wa mukinge wangonze ngo unabare. Uri kunyica.
You were already dead.
N'ubundi ariko wari wapfuye.
You just didn't know it.
Ikibazo ntabwo ubizi ko wari ugiye gupfa.
They had you driving to?
Ahantu bari bakubwiye ngo twarugana.
They were gonna kill you.
Iyo ugera bari kukwica ubwira kuri telefone bamubwira ngo ngwino hano ngo ngwino hano ngwino hano.
So what else do you know?
Niki kindi uzi? Umukobwa utuje.
Also aware that you might have access to a certain document.
Nzi ko none ko ari document ushobora kuba ufite access.
You got the wrong guy, okay?
Wanyibeshyeho.
I don't know what the hell you were talking about.
Ibyo uvuga ntabyo nzi.
You said anything about a list?
Iyo liste nayo nzi, liste nindo yivuze.
I mentioned a document.
Njye mvuze document.
Anything about a list?
Ntabwo nigeze mvuga liste ahubwo uyikuye uyivuze.
I gotta go.
Mfite kugenda. Ni umukobwa utuje udafite ubwoba budahubuka. Buretse ava yatuje buriya guhubuka no gusara ni bibi. Umukobwa arakoye mwandikiye.
In case you change your mind.
Nuhindura ibitekerezo byawe uzampamagare dore ngiyo nimero yanjye. Iba no muri Momo nta mukobwa wagwa nimero ngo ntibagirwe.
Won't stop until they find you.
Umenye ko abaguhiga batazikira bahagarara mpaka bakubonye. Uyu musore umukobwa aravuga ati nagutabaye. Ahantu bari kuguhamagara ngo uki bari kukurangiza. Gatururi umukobwa ngo yamugonze ngamutabare.
It's Steve's family.
Nagiye gusura famille ya Steve.
I imagine it's not easy for them.
Ndabizi ntabwo biboroheye. Steve ni wa mu agent of your FBI.
To say the least.
I can't imagine.
Ndabyumva rwose. Kujya kuri famille yagize ibyago urumva ntabwo biba biboroheye nawe buri cyo babwira.
Thank you for doing that, by the way.
Gusa wakoze kubikora. Afande.
Alex Mace's wife just arrived.
Umugore wa Alex Mace ari hano. Alex Mace ni cya kibe twatangiye kirasa bagifashe. Reka njye kumwihatira ibibazo. Afande afaye kumwihatira ibibazo. Cya kibe kirashe. Wibuke bajya kukira cyaravuze ati ngiye umugore wanjye n'umwana musaba amafaranga.
First off, my condolences.
Mbere na mbere condolences. Ni wa mugabo wirashe w'ikibe. Dore umugore wacu.
I don't know what to say. It doesn't.
Sinzi icyo navuga. Nibyo muri kuvuga nibisobanutse.
Alex was a good man.
Alex yari umugabo mwiza.
Husband.
Ndetse yari umugabo mwiza.
A good father.
Yari umubyeyi mwiza.
I don't understand.
Simbyumva.
What can you
Ubwo mamuvuza nga hari umugabo mwiza, yari umugabo mwiza.
downtown? How long have you been working there? Who hired him?
Ese umugabo wamaze igihe kingana iki akora hariya ndamuhaye akazi?
The first time I heard about the warehouse incident is when you first called me.
Ibya iriya warehouse mwamusanze munabyumvishe bwa mbere mu makaye.
Husbands.
Where did you think he was working with?
Ese urakeka umugabo wawe yakoraga iki?
In Pasadena.
Njye rero mbwiye ko akora Pasadena muri recovery center.
We would have lunch there every Thursday.
Buri wa kane twajyaga kuryayo.
Martha, your husband was working for some very bad men.
Marita umugabo wawe yakoreraga abantu babi cyane.
I assure you, if you keep anything from me, I will find out.
Kandi nkumenyesha ko nugira n'icumisha nzakivumbura. Umve.
I tell you what.
Reka nkubwire.
Take my card.
Fata ikarita yanjye.
Go home tonight and think
Ukiri ijoro mu rugo utekereze.
about anything you might have forgotten.
Utekereze ku kintu waba wibagiwe kutubwira, sibyo?
I will.
Ndabikora.
I promise.
Ndagusezeranya ndabikora. Byiza.
Because I want you to help us figure this whole thing out.
Ndagira ngo ngufashe nawe usobanukirwe ibintu.
Blackmailing your husband.
Wabona umugabo we bari no kumukoresha ku gahato.
What I don't want you to do is lie to us. Because if you do,
Sinshaka kutubeshya kuko nutubeshya.
things could get very bad for you. Do you understand me?
Ibintu bishobora kuza kukugora. Uranyumva?
I would like to retrieve my husband's remains and all the proper burial. Can you help me?
Well, I'm afraid that won't be possible, not for a little while.
Ya, Royi kari kutubangamira banguka Royi. Ya.
Can I say goodbye? Can I see?
None se basi umugabo wanjye mwamunyereka nkamusezera.
I'm afraid I can't allow that to happen.
Ibyo ntabwo nakwemera ko biba muri kano kanya.
Your husband's body is undergoing a series of tests, actually. At another
Umugabo wawe umurambuye bari kubanza kuwupima.
If it was up to me,
Iyo biza kuba ari cyo bitamo.
would, but
Ariko kure kukamureba. Ariko siki.
I'm sorry.
Babarira.
Now, what I can do
Icyo nakora ni
And I don't recommend you look at them due to their graphic nature, but show you some fun.
nubwo nakugira inama yo kureba ifoto y'ukuntu yirashe ariko wahitamo yinyereke areba ifoto y'umugabo ukuntu yapfuye. Bano barabanza hariya areba kamera ukuntu zimeze. Baba mumwumva kuri kamera nyine kavuze ko agiye kwerekana ifoto. Bazana ifoto. Urakoze Les. Bazana ifoto bereka umugore. Bebe. Kira reba umugabo wawe ukuntu yapfuye nk'imbwa sha yarayanze kuyamenera igihugu. Yapfuye nk'urwihebe. Yareba umugabo we ukuntu yirashe.
Who's this?
Uyu ni nde se?
I'm sorry.
Wiki.
This is not my
Uyu ntabwo ari umugabo wanjye reka cya kibe kirashe cyitwa Alex Mace.
Follow.
Ntabwo ngukurikiye.
Okay.
Okay. Umugore agira gutya. Rebe.
This is my husband.
Uyu niwe mugabo wanjye bamwita Alex Mace. Aramubereka. Atandukanye na cya kihebe. Baratandukanye. Bivuze ngo kiriya kihebe gishobora kuba cyari cyarabeshya amazina ngo cyitwa Alex Mace. Kuko umugore avuga ati umugabo wanjye yitwa Alex Mace ariko ntabwo ari icyo kigabo muri kunyereka kirashe. Dore muzuka. Ari hakurya uyu mugabo we kafuye mu irimbi rusorohoro. Yavuye nijoro. Igihugu cyose kizi ko yapfuye. Katururi. Abizi umuntu yapfuye bamushyingura mu gakote bari bamushyinguyemo nikacyambaye. Bamushyinguye mu gakote nyine bahita bajya muri Mika Fashion bagakurayo agasuti k'ubwenge bakagushyinguramo. Nta kibazo mfite cy'ukuntu muzanshyingura. kuko nzapfa nyuma
We're
yanyu.
just discovering this now. Can somebody please tell me how this happened?
Gute tubifumbe none hari uwambwira uko byagenze?
Tests are not that hard.
Come on, bullshit.
Twapimye DNA ibyo nubusa.
Tell report I'm over wrong with that test.
Ndashaka kumenya ikitagenze neza muri izo test.
Corrupted Alex Mace's identity.
Bisa nkaho hari umuntu wahinduye ibiranga uriya muntu.
Security identity
Agahindura iby'umutekano we iranga muntu se ibintu byose.
accounts were hacked.
Ndetse n'imbuga nkoranyambaga bari barasihakinze byose barabishyize kuri kiriya kihe.
The only thing they changed.
Mbega nk'uko umuntu yaza akakwiba ibikuranga byose akabyiyitirira nta na kimwe asize.
Yeah, and I contacted Boston College to see if they have any photos of him.
Namagaye Boston College aho yize turi mbara amafoto baba bafite. Kirisha igisubizo.
Another round of DNA test. They should get.
Twongere se tubwire kuri Rwanda Forensic Laboratory bongere baraninge DNA test bazongere bapime barebe.
Run it through CODIS this time.
Kuri inshuro bakoresha CODIS. Niko ndemara byumva CODIS ntabwo bizi bari abantu bapima muri Rwanda Forensic Laboratory ubwo barabyumva bakorera Kacyiru bapima n'amasani ibintu byose barapima. Nahabereye icyakumbe hakurino. Mikoroje nasigaye yicara ku muhanda arasabiriza. Yabaye wamfunguri. Yazana. Kwisaka n'amafaranga afite yo gushyira muri tuvugane ngahamagara. Kandi ningagari ngari mu gasuti. Si buri wambaye isuti wese gafite amafaranga.
Could I ask you a favor?
Usaba gafavere.
Long night.
Ijoro ryakubanyiririza.
You could say that.
Cyane ko wabyita.
Makes you ask.
Kuki bimbashe?
Oh, got a cut on your face. For starters.
Wakomeretse ku isura.
You got that bandage on your wrist.
Ndetse ufite na bandage aho ku kaboko kawe. Birabipfu.
I'm gonna give you this jacket. It's very expensive.
Kuko rino kote rirahenze.
I just need $1.
Wowe nguriza $1 rimwe utwara iri kote.
It's not my style.
Iryo kote ntabwo ari style yanjye.
You can just buy me with a expensive jacket.
Urumva wangura ikote rihenze mwe.
You rich people.
Mwabakire mwe.
You think we're for sale just because.
Mukeka ko twigurisha kuko turi abakene.
$1.
Nkeneye $1 rimwe.
You know what it's like to need $1?
Suko bemera gukenera $1 rimwe wari uzereka. Tibizi. Uri bikoroshe. Ushika ku muntu wamugura ngo nukakene ati nkurira iki. We.
I'm not finished.
Ntabwo ndarangiza kuvuga. Ni wamfunguriye urebe. Gutanga ntabwo bisaba ko ufite ibintu byinshi, bisaba ko ufite umutima utanga. Ati $1 rimwe sha. Arambwira ati nzi uko bemera kubura $1 rimwe. Fata. Muri nanjye nzi ukuntu inzara iryana niyo mpamvu umuntu wese unsabye ibiryo.
I'll give you back your $1.
$1 ryawe nzari gusubiza.
And more.
Uregerezeho.
Just give me back my $1.
Uzansubiza $1 ryanjye rimwe.
I don't charge interest.
Ntabwo ndi banka isaba inyungu iyo yaguhaye amafaranga.
Just like to need $1.
Mubwiye ko nguhaye iryo $1 kuko nzi uko bemera gukenera $1. Ndetse nzi nuko bemera kubura ibintu byose wari utunze. Umusaza wicaye hano ati nguhaye $1 kuko nzi uko bemera kubura $1. Ntabwo ndi banki icharginga interest. Oya, charging inyungu wetwara wituriza. Babona nawe yaringagaraga kubitwa. Allo?
Hello?
Hello? We know FBI. Wibuka niwe urangiye akazi Will Scott amurangira ikiraka amubwira ati ngwino udufashe gukura kode mu rupapuro twabonye. Will, witwa Kat.
It's me.
Ni jewe.
What the hell, Will?
Will, Agasobanuye. Umuntu bari basko bashinguye.
Have you seen Hannah?
Wabonye umwana wa Jana? Ese meze neza?
Yeah, at your funeral yesterday.
Ejo namubonye ku kiriyo cyawe. Agasobanuye. Mugaba. Yari yarakaye.
What kind of question is that? Of course she's upset. She thinks you're dead.
Curi kibazo nyabacumba sigira umwana yari yarakaye kuko yapfuye.
Right now, listen, I need to make sure Anna.
Ndashaka kumenya ko umwana wanje Ana amayinite ahita mushirana ahita mushirana nawe urayazi abayito. Yarumiwe sheje gushyingura Will Scott yumvishe Will Scott amuhamagara. Turore. Yari hano telefone irafusona.
Kurt.
Kat.
Yeah.
Yego.
I'll ask you one serious question.
Ngiye kubaza ikindi kibazo kiri seri.
Who else have you contacted and who else knows you're alive?
Ninde uhamagaye ninde usukuri muzima. Niwe ho wenyine.
But we're gonna keep it that way.
Bikume gutyo ntukintu tubwira.
Find you.
Ngiye kuza kureba tubikemure.
I'm downtown.
Ngende mu kirwa
Santa
gatatu.
Fe and 7th.
Corner of Santa Fe niho hari.
Okay, there's an old parking garage.
Uyatangira kumurangira hari ahantu hari parikingi.
7th and Western. I'll meet you inside.
Umuhanda wa karindwi.
You give me an hour.
Urabanza imisaha ariko.
Something I need to take care of.
Hari ibintu ugiye kubanza kwitaho.
Okay, stay safe, Will. And no matter what you do, do not.
Wirinde ntukiri ikintu icyo ari cyose ukora ntukiri ufukisha. Nze duhure. Uyu ni mushuti we ukora FBI. Uyahoze akorera NSA. Bari baramuhagaritse. Kuri National Security Agency. NSA y'Amerika. Uko bayita. Wikoreraga Will Scott. Witwa Kat yarumiwe. Ariko uzi kujya ku kiriyo cy'umuntu. Ejo kumva araguhamagaye ati mbese bite broze. Ikibazo. Wikureba ibinyamakuru hano byasohotse. Kora mu kinyamakuru hano. Azi ko neruka kubona ikinyamakuru we. Ikinyamakuru aba agent 8 bapfuye bapfiriye mu itwika twarebonye muri episode ya mbere. Komeza kureba ikinyamakuru. kureba hano Will Scott waza kora NSA aruhuke mu mahoro Nyagasani. Ibinyamakuru byamutangaje byamubitse.
Dental analysis and DNA came back without results.
Abantu bapima amenyo, bapimye na DNA batubwiye ko abantu batandukanye.
We ran a full body x-ray.
Ndetse n'umubiri wose twawupimye bya x-ray.
Prosthesis in the victim's upper right shoulder.
Dusanga uriya wapfuye yari afite akantu k'insimburangingo mu rutugu rwe.
Surgery took place 2 years ago.
Bagushyize mu rutugu mu kaguru kakuma.
Markings on the prosthesis itself.
Kano ka prosthesis niko batwita. Kuri atu insimburangingo.
Center. We've already initiated.
Kaba kariho serial number z'ivuriro ryakaguteyemo.
Undergone surgery, there would have been 2 working surgeons.
Turebye abantu bashize mutwe tuntu. Harimo umuganga witwa Andy Osma. Yo tugiye guhera tureba.
The master serial numbers to the ones in our record.
Bivuze ngo tugiye kureba izo serial numbers zari kuri kakano k'insimburangingo. Basanze muri uwo mugabo.
Trace it back to the...
Wow, tuwirashe kugira ngo bamenye iryo furiro bamuteri bakukano k'insimburangingo. Nta myirondoro basigaranye bamenye uwo ari we. Kuko uriya mugabo bafungwa babonye wirashe kira kiebe cyari imyirondoro y'umuntu witwa Alex Mace. None bagisanzemo insimburangingo ufite serial number barashaka kujya kureba iryo furiro yamushyizemo iyo nsimburangingo.
Rather than some...
Bamenye nyine imyirondoro ye.
Provide us with any information.
All right, Kurt. You may explore that avenue, but I want all other agents to stay.
Abandi bose bagume ku kazi.
Guys, good work. Dismissed.
Muchisheni. Afandi. Katuri.
What's going on with him?
Katumeze uti. Wibuke Kati yahamagaye n'umuntu ejo yashyinguye afite ubwoba nawe ntabwo ari kubyumva. Bagenzi be barabona tumeze ute mwana ko tubona utarwiyambitse. Ruba rurubuga. Uyevayo yihuse cyane yafukanye na Will Scott ko bagiye guhura ejo arabizi yaramwishyinguriye aracyari muzima ati nakubwiye ngo iriya liste nari amakode yayo tutarasobanukirwa hishe byinshi. Hey Katuri uyevayo nya avayo yihuse cyane ajye kure uko bimeze zakure kumbe dore ku ishuri akana kari hano kapfushije papa nta byishimo gafite wibuke bamushyinguye ejo nabihugu ni n'abagome ejo umwana avuye gushyingura se nta nubwo bamuha icyumweru cy'akaruhuko ugomba kubyukira ku ishuri saa moya. Papa yaje kureba akana karabona kababaye ndetse mama yaje kugafata. Wibuke akana kakundaga papa wawe ukavuga ati papa ngiye nkunda mama ariko mba numva nakwibanira nawe kuko untera story z'ubwenge dadi uratwika. Mama yafashe akana caho. Papa yari yavuze ati mu misaha imwe abwira Kati mbegeraga ze kuri umwana ukuntu ameze. Maze n'inzoka zikunda abana bazo ntanzwe umuntu. Umugabo nawe yararize. Hari ibirara cyo mbona by'ibisabo. Byakubiswe ko kiriko shabikunda abana babyo cyo mbibona. Yana yashara. Karababaye. Wibutse ukeneye kwamamaza kuri izi filime uhamagara ku cyicaro gikuru cy'Agasobanuye mu Rwanda.
Do your favorite sandwich?
Ntabwo kore ya sandwich ukundi. Nayo nshaka kurya.
You need to eat, baby.
Mfite kurya mwana.
I wasn't hungry, Mom.
Kandi nkubwiye ko nashonje mama. Nyagasani. Okay. Mwana avuye ku ishuri saa sita. Gusa ni umugati arya. Nababwira impamvu ngiye Amerika ntavuye nkanga kubayo kasiguruke ngo nawe rero ntabwo nahaba. Cyakora ndagenda nkangwa agacupa nkarara nayo.
Go take a shower.
Kajye koga.
Yes, before I go.
Hari ikintu ukeneye mbere ko genda. Kamurya sini n'akana. Ifite ibibazo kabuze papa uraza ukaganya. Bakita Ana. Papa yapfuye. Bibutsa ko mwese muri kureba iyi filime namwe muzapfa. Kandi byano. Telefone ya mama wako. Wibuke ku munsi w'ejo papa akajya gupfa. Bari bafitanye gahunda yo kujya kureba filime ngo yaroke. Akana kakabaza ngo ese papa ntabwo yigeze guhamagara. Mama tishwe da iso ntabwo yahamagaye.
Hey, sweetheart.
Yumvisha message. Ni papa wawe.
Got a little secret tomorrow.
Cyabanga ry'ejo dufitanye.
Sweetie, I gotta cancel.
Sweetie mfite kuri canceling ya gahunda dufite kwihagarika.
Things are all crazy, but we'll reschedule.
Ikira gahunda tuyimure. Kandi ndagukunda.
I'll talk to you soon.
Nzakuvugisha vuba.
Sweetheart, bye.
Yumvishe ko papa burya atabeshya yari yamuherereje message. Mama kubera yashwanye na se yanze kumvisha message umwana. Papa sari ayasoje umureka n'umusinzi.
a brave man.
yari umugabo ufite umutima ukomeye. Tuzamukumbura. Wapfuye.
We're gonna find whoever's responsible.
Turaza kumenya ninde rubiri inyuma. Sasa uyu mukobwa amenya hari umuntu yakundaga muri baba basore 8 byatangiye bahira mu nzu.
Like you, was like a brother to me.
Kimwe nawe yari umuvandimwe wanjye yakuriye.
Yeah.
Yego.
Brother.
Yari umuvandimwe. Nacho. Bagenzi bo bakoranaga bapfuye. Bari inshuti zabo. None uri bari ikintu kinshimisha n'ukuntu nzapfa nyuma yanyu mwese muri kureba iyi filime. Shaka ari akantu karankorera. Munyitwareho neza ninjye uzabashyingura mume no ku mafaranga kuko ninjye uzabashyingura.
Sweetie, I gotta cancel.
Umwana akomeje kumva ya message yohererejwe na se.
This work thing's a little crazy, but we'll reschedule.
Ari kumva ya gahunda mbwira ati gahunda reka tuyihindure ibintu byabaye ubusazi.
Talk to you soon.
Nzakuvugisha fa mwana wanje.
Daddy.
Ari komeje kumva asubizaho message ya papa we mama yari yarayimuhishe. Mama arayumva yari yarayimuhishe kumwe ababyeyi muteranya abana na basi.
Really sorry.
Arabyumva.
Crazy.
Swambwe papa nta butumwa yohereje.
Hey.
Umugore arabyumvisha agira isoni.
I'll talk to you.
Papa yapfuye.
Okay, sweetheart.
Anna.
Bye.
Babarire Anna.
Who said he didn't call?
Wambwiye ko papa atigeze ahamagara. Sikwambwiye. Twana twarikuje mwiminsi. Ngafata telefone yawe.
Hey, sweetheart. Daddy.
Karongera karayiplayinga gaco.
Secret tomorrow.
Yari yamubeshye. Umwana aragiye yirirwa kuri sara ategereje ngo papa aze barebe filime aramubura ataha yarakariye se. Ari nabwo iryo joro yumvaga ngo papa yapfuye. Akwereka muri iryo joro. Bari ijoro nimba ari no kuma masinzi yaje hano. Parika hano. Ibe filime. Yo. Will ashikura na Will Scott. Witwa Kati. Will. Mugabo igihugu cyose kizi ko yapfuye dore nguyu. Will we.
Shit, man.
Shit.
It's good to see you, but
Washyizeho kubona.
it's a long story.
Inkuru ndende.
Back to the document. Okay, now where?
Cyerekeranye na ya document.
It's a hit list.
Ya document iri hariya burya ni hit list. Ni list y'abagomba gupfa.
I decoded the first name and then I was taken out.
Nibwo nari mfumbuye izina rya mbere bahita banshyira hasi. Nabyutse ndi mu isanduku.
I guess you did.
Cyane.
We need to call your director.
Dufite guhamagara umuyobozi wawe.
Now, look, this is clearly bigger than you and me.
Umva bino bintu birenze jye nawe.
What we need to do first is
Icyo dufite gukora
radar for a bit.
ni ukubanza kuba twihishe tugaceceka.
Who else knows about this?
Ninde udusubira?
Who else do I trust?
Ninde uduse nizeye? Uri wenyine.
An hour before meet me. Well, where is it?
Umaze isaha.
Went to see my daughter.
Areke kure umukobwa wanjye. Aramubwiye ati ya kode rwa rwandiko babonye rurimo amakode. Burya ngo ni hit list. Ni list y'abantu bagomba kwicwa. Abasobanuzi babwira ngo ni list y'abantu bari hit.
Yeah, why this is happening to me? It's gonna be okay, all right?
Biraza kumera sawa.
Calm. You need to take a breath and we'll analyze
Umika.
before we respond, all right?
Bino bintu tubanze tubitekerezeho neza mbere yo gusubiza.
Calm, okay? We need to.
Nta gihe dufite cyo gutuza.
There are other people on this. It's a hit list.
Dufite kumenya abantu bose bari kuri la list n'abantu bagomba kwicwa. Kandi ntabwo bazi ko bazapfa.
I know.
Ndabizi.
Just for a second. You say it's a hit list. Who's up next?
Ninde wundi ugiye gupfa rero ukurikiye?
Each line requires a key.
Birabanza binsaba urufunguzo.
With each one, I have to start anew.
Ndetse buri muntu ugatangira muri ziriya kode ndeba.
Contact the director. I gotta.
Tuhamagara umuyobozi wawe.
That's the only way.
Bakubita umutekano ubundi menye abantu bose bari kuri la list n'uburyo bazicwamo n'igihe bazica.
Got that level of protection to get us done. And that
Sibyo tugende mbikore ndahantu harizwe. Uyu yari yose yakura y'imbunda. Hey! Nyagasani. Wa muntu wenyine yari yizeye mu gihugu. Umutunzi imbunda. Nawe yahamagaye wenyine akabwira. Ibiki bijya mbere.
I'm sorry, Will.
Mbabarire Will.
You're sorry.
Mbabarire. Mbabarire.
It's me.
Mwana ni njyewe.
What's happening?
Byagenze bite?
I didn't want it to come to this.
Nanjye sinashaka kubigera hano.
Get in the car.
Shira mu modoka.
What's the hell on you?
Ese bagukoze iki? Yari inshuti ye.
Kurt?
Kandi
Do we have one of your family?
basi bashimuse umwe muri famiye yawe bagutegeka kunzana. Mbwira wabaye ikipi.
We can fix this.
Twabikemura.
Please don't make this more complicated than.
Bituma ibintu bikomera cyane kurushaho.
Do as I say and get in the car.
Kora uko ngubwiye injira mu modoka.
Get in the damn car. I don't want to hurt you.
Injira mu modoka sinshaka kukubabaza. Gasani. Hey!
You're not gonna shoot me.
Ntabwo uri buze kundasa.
And these people, they need me alive.
Kuko abakuntumye bankeneye ndi muzima. Uyu mugabo afite ubwenge.
That all right? This is
Afite ubwenge ku buryo ari we wenyine iriya kode ubasha kuzikuramo akamenya.
out for my family.
Mfite kurinda famiye yanjye. nawe usenye famiye yanjye.
Safe, as long as you do as I say.
Famiye yawe iraza kubitekanye n'ukuri icyo ubwiye.
I'll explain everything.
Ndaza gusobanura buri kimwe. Kuruta cyane.
I'm not the bad guy here.
Ntabwo ari njye muntu mubi hano.
We screw them.
Reka tubahagarike. Njye nawe dufatanije.
We go into headquarters.
Tujye kuri headquarters FBI.
Misunderstanding.
Tubasobanurire ko habayemo kutamenya.
And get protection.
Baguha umutekano. Va.
Get your hands up.
Amaboko aho nyareba hejuru.
Get them up.
Hejuru. Ikasa. Telefone. Umugabo yari yizeye wenyine. Nawe ndebe.
Hey.
Eh.
Yes.
Yego.
Yes, he's here with me.
Yego turi kumwe.
I'll be there soon.
Ndaje vuba bidatinze.
Understood.
Ndabyumva cyane rwose. Nyagasani. Baramumutumye. Ati ndamuzanye vuba cyane. Hindukira. Dukira. Nyagasani. Hey.
What happened to the crew line now?
Ese kati narinzi wabaye iki?
Around.
Ndavuze guhindukira.
Well, you've been playing both sides.
Umaze igihe kingana icyo urikirumira habiri.
Put your hands behind your back.
Amaboko inyuma y'umugongo. Kura ipigo. Mugabo baramushaka.
Sorry, Will.
Babarire Will. Mutwe kuzuru cyawe. Punch. Fata murano. Wapi? Bose nabashinzwe umutekano. Rebe. To barakikira biyirukira ku mbunda, biyirukira ku modoka, umwe ku mbunda ku modoka, ndakiye uzaba barani mu gatsata. Rebe. Kishene fire. Mugabo aciyeho. Katurori. Sasu. Yo. Baramumutumye. Nawe bakoranaga yarashinzwe umutekano yari inshuti ye. Ahishe mundano. Hagarara. FBI please oka modoka. Fata modoka. Rebe. Arakurikira. Hey, singa imodoka yihuse cyane. Hey. Arakurikira. Hey, mwanda hagati bamutumye. Ese bite? Ese uyu mugabo ni bande bamushaka? No kuri telefone uyu mugabo nta nubwo yaragikora akazi ka leta. Gusa ni wenyine ubasha kumenya ko cya gipapuro burya ari list y'amazina y'abantu bagomba kwicwa. Wibuka uwa mbere yasanze yarapfuye vumbuye, uwa kabiri kimugera asanga nawe ari gupfa, ari gusamba, ariko bamushyinguraga ari muzima. Gusigira list cyari y'amazina y'abantu benshi bagomba kwicwa. Hey, kandi kugira ngo umenye ayo mazina biragoye. Yakurikiwe mu mujyi hagati. Katikati wibutse izi filime kuri BTN TV ntabwo saa 9 kugeza saa 10 buri munsi. Goroka yarisa mugabo ari kugenda. Modoka yamuparitse iryo. Hey. Modoka yari itunze irongera ireguka. Rebe filime uyaparika hano. Wari umukurikira asigaye. Gusa yari inshuti ye. Ndetse yanamaze agati bagukoze iki kintu gutuma ushaka kundangiza. Yaje kumureba.
Look at me.
Witiba.
Look at me.
Tiba. Yari inshuti ye.
Stay with me.
Kumara nanjye nubwo yifuza kwapfa si buri guhemukiye ngo nawe umugirire nabi. Katurori. Yeah. Umugabo nuko yapfuye. Ese bite? Uyarabireba? Yo. Basi ko yapfuye. Igihugu cyose. N'uwo yari yizeye yaragiye guha amakuru. Nuko bigenze. Cyakoze nakindi. Gufatiye telefone uyu mugabo yari afite. Wibuke n'uwo yavuganiragaho n'abari bamumutumiye. Arayitwara. Zino telefone buriya ziba zibitse amabanga. Ntayisuye yo muri rogisha. Biba bimeze kimwe. Buriya nayo ngiye ibitse amabanga. Sadona yewe. Fayo. Shira muhano. Abanza kwana kuri imodoka kuraho ibikumwe byawe yakoze hose. Bataza bagapima n'ibikumwe arabazi Rwanda Forensic Laboratory. Bafite ukuntu bapima hano bakoze bagapima DNA. Habereye icyaha barapima bararenze. Baje gusibanganya ibimenyetso. Katurori. Alice yari hano. Niba shuti bimaze iminsi bapfuye. Bari mu gahinda nabo bakoranaga.
Hey, I've been looking for you.
Bari gushakira hose. Robert aradukeneye.
Reese.
Liz. Robert Nafan.
Robert wanted me to check with his team of analysis
barambwiye ngo njye kureba ubusesenguzi bwakozwe ku bapfuye
and identified suicide victims.
cyane cyane kuri wa wundi wiyahuye cya kibe kirashe tugiye kugifata.
I saw.
Nabonye.
Saw what?
Ubonye iki?
Saw the remains of the bodies.
Nabonye ibisigarizwa by'imibiri y'abagenzi bacu. Kwibuke bapfuye baturikijwe. Ubwo nyine n'izingaro hirya akaboko hirya iki n'iki.
Don't do anything for us.
Kurakara ntacyo biri bukumarire. Ntacyo biri budufashe. Hari uburyo bumwe twakemura.
You know what that is, don't you?
Uzi ubwo buryo? Kubabara nta kintu byahindura.
I was 17 when I got the news my father passed.
Nari mfite imyaka 17 ubwo namenyaga ko papa yapfuye.
Stabbed twice in the chest.
Bamushobye icyuma kabiri mu gituza.
For dead in an alley right off Cypher.
Bamusigaho mu muhanda nyine.
Can't even begin to describe the pain I felt.
Ntabwo nakubwira uburibwe numvishe mfite.
Life goes on.
Gusa ubuzima burakomeza.
Life just goes on.
Ubuzima burakomeza.
Goes on with or without you.
Bivuze ngo ubuzima bugomba gukomeza waba uhari waba udahari. Ubuzima burakomeza.
Had to move forward.
Nagombaga gukomeza ubuzima.
Police academy.
Ninjira muri polisi nditoza.
Trained hard. In hopes of finding my father.
Nditoza cyane vuga nzafata umuntu wishe papa.
So I did.
Kandi wawishe papa kuko naramufashe. Maze kugera mu gipolisi.
Please.
Nibalize.
I'm not going to tell you that you don't get to grieve.
Ntabwo nakubwira ngo urekeraho kumva ufite agahinda.
Very action. Look at me.
Tiba ariko.
Use the pain.
Ubwo buribwe ufite bukoreshe.
Use the pain.
Ubwo buribwe bukoreshe. Sibyo. Nimba ko umuntu yaduye mu kiyaga dutwara bacu tushake.
David, tell me.
David mbwira. Hari amakuru yakiriye. Gase. Iki. Hari amakuru yakiriye. Yikangamo.
Peterson, you and Norville headed to Boston, right?
Peterson, we na mugenzi we mwerekeje muri Norville.
IT connection.
Twagiye kure muri MIT yahuriye mugabo yize baracyari kwiga kuri cya kintu kirashe abanze bakimenye.
Full report of my destiny, I would dismiss.
Nonzere raporo yose ku ntebe yanjye ni mu irangiza muco. Urabasha.
It's Kurt. He was in.
Ni Kati. Nararira. Kizoe gukumisha kumva.
You're telling me we lost another agent?
Urambwira ko twabuze undi agent?
Pursuit of a suspect in downtown LA.
Yarari guhigukekwa muri downtown muri Los Angeles. Yagase. Undi mugenzi wabo arapfuye. Hey, iki kirego gikomeje kubacanga.
He said he was in pursuit of a suspect. Do we know?
Umbwiye ko yarakurikiye uri guhigwa.
Negative.
Uri guhigwa twaba tumuzi wapi?
His behavior yesterday, it's like he was
Imyitwarire je afite ubona gasa nkaho
scared of something.
afite ubwoba bw'ikintu icyo aricyo cyose.
Sir.
Nyakubahwa.
I'll take the responsibility of contacting his family.
Guhamagara famiye y'izo nshingano rikaba ari uza kuzifata. Bigoye. Abari ujya
Traffic cam footage. Meet back here as soon as.
munshakira amashusho yafusiye yafashwe na kamera mu muhanda turebe yapfuye ate. Barababaye.
Sorry.
Sabarira fandi. chance ntibasi n'ibiki bijya mbere na ya list ubu n'ubu nta niyo bafite umuntu byibura wagerageje no kuvumbura ibiri kuri iyo list dore nguyu gusa nawe zamwumiyeho yabuze umuntu n'umwe yizeye ni ukumubona agenda n'amakoto ukavuga ati dore ingagari sha mu gasuti yakuze muri Mika Fashion kumbe nta ngagari irimo zamwumiyeho buri muntu ubona agenda mu muhanda bafite ibibazo bye sengize gutya ashyira password muri telefone yandika mu kati biranga ni telefone wa mugenzi wapfuye ya kati areba nimba nta makuru yayikoramo gusa nta password afite ifungura. Yicaye ku muhanda. Yicaye ibyapa. Gusa kuri baba ari nimero y'umukobwa muhamagaye. Nako yamusigira mubwira tuzahamagare. Ni umukobwa amubwiye ati ngiye nakugonze ngira ngo ngutabare kuko barashaka kwica.
Still no face detection from this angle.
Na nubu nta sura nimwe turi kubona.
Kurt chases his own vehicle with the suspect's car.
Bivuze ngo Kati yari ari gukurikira umugizi wa nabi kandi umugizi wa nabi yari ari mu modoka ya Kati.
So interrogated the owner of the vehicle, Kurt was
Twabamagaye nyiri modoka Kati yamukurikiye matwaye.
gunpoint.
Avuga ko Kati yamukuyemo mutunzi bunda niya modoka yatse umuturage agakurikira. Willy Scott.
Never gave up easy.
Ntabwo yajyaga apfa kuva ku bintu byoroshye.
So I was thinking,
Uzi icyo ntekereza?
can you play back about 30 seconds?
Subiza inyuma y'amashusho yafashwe ku muhanda ku masegonda 30 aho ngaho. Rebe, ukura no yitonze. Rebe film.
Fleeing an FBI agent, only to spend the last few moments at his side.
Umuntu wari uri guhunga ni gutega rutse kugira akagaruka ku modoka y'umuntu wari kumuhiga.
We call for backup.
Kuki atamagaye ubundi umusani?
Personal affair.
Bisa nkaho byari ibibazo bye bwite.
We're off the clock pissing contest. Gone too far.
Bisa nkaho bamurakaje bikagera kuri.
You look like a close pair.
Uriya muntu ariko mumukurure neza twitonda. Zooming. Barareba kamera.
Serious.
Urabona ikiriza.
Grief.
Regret.
Wait a second, it's a
Uretse gato.
cryptographer.
Uranaga ari cryptographer wa musore wacu win. Ntabwo bishoboka.
The guy died 2 days ago.
Hashize iminsi 2 uwo nguwo wapfuye cryptographer.
Don't
Ntabwo yaba ari.
leads. I suggest we ask his family a few more questions.
Urabizi tujye gusura famille tuyihate ibibazo.
Suspect. That doesn't make any
Mu
sense.
byubero bye ntabwo bisobanutse. Hari igitekerezo kirenze ufite.
I think so.
Ntacyo ufite.
Guys,
Tujye kubaza famille ye. Ko bimeze. Niwe kamera yakuriye nabi wa musore wacu Will Scott. Bamwe baravuga ati amaze iminsi 2 yarapfuye. Afana akavuga ati ariko ko mbona amaso ari yaba wagira ngo niwe. Ko wagira ngo niwe. Gatorori.
Yeah, it's in the repair shop. No, I should have it back tomorrow afternoon.
Ya ejo nimugore rwo nzabigarura. Uwo mukobwa twabonye Claire. Claire hano arakomangirwa. Uyu niwe mukobwa wagonze Will akamubwira ati Will, hari abantu bari gushaka kukwica. Nakugonze ngira ngo bagutabare batakwica. Isi uyu mukobwa ni muntu ki? Ahuriye he na kiriya kibazo ku buryo ngo ngura musore kanamubwira ngo yashaka kumutabara. Uyu we ni muntu ki? Ni Claire. Uyamaze kubona ko yahungiyeho b'inshuti ze muri FBI nacu bamufashe bashatse no kumwica. Yagarutse kureba wa mukobwa bita Claire. Rero ko nk'ibisanzwe amuzi ntabwo bamugereranya bamumenye ntabwo bamushidikanyaho.
Itangazo filime irakomeza ice kuri no channel buri munsi. Kora subscribe dukomeze kurya show tuyirebe.